Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 phones. It seems like there might be two variants of this foldable device, including a more affordable option to attract more customers. Potential features of the cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant. While details are still scarce, it's speculated that the cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant, possibly named the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition, may come with slightly less advanced components compared to the standard model. This could include a lower-priced screen, processor, and battery while retaining similar camera capabilities. Rumors of a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant. Recent reports suggest that Samsung is considering releasing a cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, with a price tag as low as $800. This move could be aimed at boosting sales and attracting users who want a foldable phone at a more accessible price point. Anticipated specifications and design changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to feature a 7.6-inch foldable display with improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and durability. It may also include a punch-hole camera for selfies and a triple camera setup on the rear. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it promises enhanced performance and connectivity. Release plans and production schedule. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series at its Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2024. Production for these foldable phones is set to start earlier than usual, suggesting an earlier release date. The more affordable variant may be introduced alongside the main models, with production gearing up in May 2024. Sneak peek at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 design. Leaked images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggest a sleek and stylish design, with cleaner lines and a slightly altered form factor compared to its predecessors. While details like the exact dimensions and S Pen compatibility remain unconfirmed, Samsung seems focused on delivering a visually appealing and functional foldable device. Final thoughts and audience feedback. What are your thoughts on these rumored developments? Are you excited about the possibility of a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.